Have you just purchased a brand new Tesla Model Y Juniper and you're looking for a solution for some safe ways of carrying liquids in your compartments down here on the bottom left and right? Well, I've got a product for you. EV Base has these TPE rubber containers that you can slide into that spot, and then they come with a carpeted top that you can put on top, and that'll level off the floor and then hide whatever you're putting in here. So if you're going to Costco and you want to put a jug of milk in here so it doesn't leak anywhere inside your car, because you'll never get that out of your carpet if it was to spill over. So this is a solution. These are they're marked on the back to tell you where they are. So this is the left one, so it's going to go over on that side here. It's a preformed TPE rubber, so it's going to hold its shape. And like I say, the best thing about it is you can put liquids in here, and if it does spill, could be anything from milk, apple juice or tomato juice, or even cleaners and whatever, you can just take this out, hose it out with a garden hose, or wash it in your house with a bit of mild soap and warm water, and it'll be brand new again. So let's go ahead and install these. They're super easy. So here it is here. Again, on the bottom, it points that it's on the right side. Let's see if I can show that to you. So right there, it's showing to go to the right side. And then all you do is drop it in the hole, push down, fits perfectly. And then here's the cover. Again, it's a carpeted cover. It's got a nice little pull tab right here, and you'll just place that on top. The good thing about it, it still allows you to put the cover that you would put here, it can go right across. So let's go ahead and we'll put the left one in. Again, you just slide it in that spot. Push it down. And there you go. And then you take the cover, it has that pull tab again. Let's place it on top. And we take the cover and put it on top. Now you can see though it fits perfect right there, and then over here fits good. If you need to get access to it, you just pull that off. There you go. Now because the cover has a lip on it, it has this lip right here all the way around. This has to go down on top of it. So over here you would put that down on top, like that. So if you found this interesting and you think that you might need something like this, well, head on over to evbase.com, use my discount code BCTeslaGuy, get yourself some rear rubber containers here. They'll protect your car, and they do have covers on them as well, so that makes it look really well. It matches the car very well. And right now during Black Friday, you can use my discount code BCTeslaGuy26, and it'll save you 26% on all products on their website. So go out there, customize your Tesla Model Y Juniper. Thanks for watching, and be sure to come back for more videos like this.